Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Poco X7 Pro. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Poco. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive button to connect. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!